You're probably wondering what this is. I'll tell you what it is. It's the Antec 1200. If you get this case, I will guarantee you this. You'll get a shitload of thumb screws. By shitload, I mean at least 30. Why? Because they house these things. Well, they don't house. They hold the cages. These are hard drive cages. Each one with an Antec tri-cool 120 mil fan. Now, if you're not going to be removing these or be utilizing them with hard drives, what you can always do is this. Since they do include a couple other 120 mils, simply mount them on there, and you got yourself almost like an air tunnel that directs cool air directly into your case. In my case, I'm going to be installing this. Antec calls it the big boy, 200 mil. I call this one the fatty. The reason I call it the fatty is quite simple, really. It's fucking fat. Okay, that's the Antec tri-cool included with it, with the case. This thing is rated at, I believe, 90 CFMs at its highest, maybe. This thing pulls out 170 CFMs. It's loud as hell, but you can overclock like crazy with this thing. It'll be either mounted up here for the CPU to get air from the outside, or down here with the motherboard or the graphics card. With graphics card, I'm still deciding on whether to get the 4870, just the easy start there. I don't want to go over my budget, which is set at $1,200. So I'm definitely going with the 790i, because it's the only one now with DDR that's compatible with DDR3, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. I really do appreciate all the comments at this point, since I'm going all out on this computer. CPU, I'm debating with a friend. He's saying that a Q66, it'll overclock better than the Q9450. I actually found the Q9450 only $50 more expensive than the Q66. Now I understand that the Q9450 isn't that overclockable, but it does give you a lot more cache memory. And I believe that the 45 nanometer processors are, I think they have, what was it, efficiency? I think it was efficiency, or I don't know, less latency or something like that. I don't know. They're just better, pretty much. And I'm saying for $50, might as well go with the Q9450, right? Power supply, I've chosen the Antec 850 power supply. I got this together with P180 special, and I think it was like $170. I mean, the power supply alone was worth that much, so it's got racing stripes. It looks cool. The only thing I don't like about it is that it does have four 12-volt rails, which some people are saying, oh, one's all you need, one's better. But I've also had people saying that their 12-volt rails have gone out on power supplies, and I don't know if maybe one of those will replace the damaged one, but whatever. It was a good deal. And soldering a couple other wires together for cable management, which I haven't really started. This is a crappy power supply that I'm using temporarily. But this is what I will be cooling my CPU with. This is the Zalman 9700MT. I had the 9500 on an AMD quad core, and it does a terrific job of cooling. I never go over anywhere over, I think max I've gone movie rendering, converting videos. I think the maximum I ever got to with this fan was around 32 or 33. Yeah, 32 or 33 degrees Celsius. And I mean, my AMD, my Phenom 9500 is I got it overclocked to, I think, 2.4, roughly. And you know, Phenoms, they run real hot. So it's just a little update. Oh, don't forget the SATA drive. SATA. Alright, cool cathode tube there. Apart from the other one. And I'd like to do a quick review on this case. I don't know if anybody of you subscribe to 3D Game Man on YouTube or his website, but if I'd have to, I don't know if he's ever going to review this case, but I don't think he needs to, because you can take my word for it when I say that this case is 100% kick-ass product. Alright.